Hello, this is Beyblade here, and today I am doing another CX Hasbro unboxing it with a FlameCerebrus W 580 WB. Really happy to get this guy. Another Cerberus to the collection. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh shit, no. Oh shit, no. There we go. Another light launcher. Let's get them open. Shit. There's Cerberus piece. The wheel. This chunky boy. Really cool to see this guy. There we go. The Cerberus tip. Right. Another really solid build. A chunky build. Okay. There's the 580 in the red. That guy's chunky. This will be really fun to test out. That cool little tip. And with this chunky boy right here, let's see what's going to happen. God damn, this thing is chunky as ill hell. But yeah, hope you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.